How to fix Growtopia stuck at loading items. So we've gotten this error pretty much multiple times before. Right now it doesn't happen because in our case the only problem it was actually a bad connection. There's some other reasons like bad DNS routing, block IP or region issues, corrupted Growtopia cache or files, server issues, or VPN interference. So for anything though, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet itself is stable and not laggy. You can check out your signal bars if it's low. If it's low, make sure your signal is a bit better. Go near to your router, or switch to different internet connections, the ones that are stable. You could go to a different platform like YouTube or TikTok to see if you're lagging from there. If you are, then it could be because your internet connection itself is actually laggy. If you have mobile data, you could try using that as well. Maybe your mobile data has better signal and better internet overall. But anyways, other than that, the slow, unstable internet, you could try making sure you're not using any VPNs. So turn on your VPNs or proxies. Not only does this cause lag and stuff like that, but it could cause infinite loadings as well because of that. So disable your VPN or proxies, and before entering the game, make sure you restart it by, of course, having it closed. So I guess you already have that fixed. But another is to try restarting your router if you're using Wi-Fi. This does solve the issue for a lot of players. In my case, it's solved for me. So power off your router for like 30 to 60 seconds, then turn it back on. Reconnect and then open Growtopia again. This pretty much refreshes your IP and connection routing. And finally, what you can do is to try just clearing your cache, especially if you've been playing for quite some time in this game. So just go ahead into your settings and then search for apps. We've already searched apps right here. But once you search for apps, just go ahead and search for Growtopia itself. You can go ahead and search for Growtopia or scroll down if you want, which is manual. But as long as you get into the Growtopia app, you'll be able to see the clear data on the bottom right. Go ahead and press on that. And there should be a clear cache button. Just go ahead and press on clear cache and it's gonna reset the unused data and stuff that pretty much is just filling for no reason. One of the last things you could try to do is just reinstalling Growtopia. So make sure you have your details and account saved on your device, or basically just the login info, and go ahead and try playing the game again once you have reinstalled Growtopia. So finally, if many players are stuck at loading items, especially at the same time, then it's usually a server maintenance, a broken update, or a region routing outage. So in those cases, nobody can fix it locally, of course, other than the creators themselves. So at that point, all you can do is just wait. Maybe play in a few hours later or the next day. But it's a server problem if many players are stuck at the same time. But hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.